Nah teman-teman, ini saya bersama Kak Ijah ya. Ini Warung Kak Ijah kalau dikenal sama para sopir-sopir lintas barat selatan Kak ya. Nah, jadi cidara-cidara lu mandum ya biar moto punan di intercooler, moto full diesel, L300 pickup ya, bek segan-segan piu di tempat awak dro ke Warung Kak Ijah. Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini hari Rabu tanggal 30 November tahun 2022. Ini adalah perjalanan kami dari Medan menuju Aceh, kurang lebih jam setengah 5 ya, tentu saya bersama
No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
Ini kami memasuki jalan Rijen Katamso yang tadinya dari arah jalan Singamaraja.
I don't know how to stop, I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly, never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady, look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy, I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny. Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous. Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop up. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows where 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Nah, teman-teman, ini saya bersama Kak Ijah ya. Ini Warung Kak Ijah kalau dikenal sama para sopir-sopir lintas barat selatan Kak ya. Nah, jadi cidara-cidara lung mandum ya biar moto punan di intercooler, moto full diesel, L300 pickup ya bek segan-segan piu di tempat awak draw ke Warung Kak Ijah. Tentu dari Limbang ya. Kecamatan Kut Selatan, Kabupaten Aceh Selatan. Nah, inilah kita baru jumpa sama Kak Ijah. Ini Kak Ijah tempat baru ini, lebih kurang sekitar baru 8 bulan Kak ya?
8 bulan.
Mungkin kita mau lebih jelasnya Kak Ijah kasih penjelasan nama kampung ini ya, saya kurang jelaskan.
Ini nama kampung Bingkawan, Kecamatan Sibolangit, Kabupaten DELI Serdang.
Oh, DELI Serdang ini kan?
Iya, DELI Serdang. Termasuk Medan juga lah, tapi belum kotanya.
Udah lama Kak buka warung di apa ini Kak?
Udah 23 tahun.
23 tahun di Sembahe?
Iya.
Ah, teman-teman inilah Kak Ijah ya. Ya kalau dulu Kak Ijah di tempat bawah, saya juga sering berhenti di tempat bawah. Ini sudah pindah ternyata. Kalau dulu kami sama Bang Rus ya, waktu jasa mandiri. Tapi sekarang udah banyak ya sopir-sopir yang baru. Jadi saya kasih lihat kepada teman-teman warung Kak Ijah ini ya. Parkirannya luas. Ini lokasi warung Kak Ijah ya. Di sini entah ada masakan limbe atau lele, saya nggak tahu juga. Ada Kak? Nah, ini lokasi parkiran. Wah, ini anak muda ini. Generasi penerus. Mau kemana deh? Mau kemana? Mau pergi lagi? Jangan balap-balap ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Makan Indomie dulu, teman-teman. Indomie Sembahe. Indomie seleraku. Di Warung Kak Ijah ini bukan Indomie aja teman-teman, nasi, kopi, teh dan lain-lain banyak ya. Jadi kalau melintas ke daerah Sembahe, baik dari Medan ke Aceh, dari Aceh ke Medan, ya mampir aja ke tempat Kak Ijah. Kamar mandinya tadi saya cek bersih ya, airnya juga melimpah-limpah banyak ya. Baik teman-teman, ini dulu yang bisa kita sampaikan lewat Adik Kota Channel. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.